Do you have a way to battle some of the lies that pain brings? Pain will say it's permanent and it's cruel. And God will say He wants to be all that I need, and He is a God of restoration. Pain might say, I'm a burden and I can make you stop walking. And God said, your value is fixed in Christ, and He's our strength when we're weak. Now, they might not feel like this, and it might not take everything away, but it's great to have some ways to answer pain and to say, okay, I get your message, but you're not the conductor of the symphony, and you're definitely not the center player. So having the scripts, having the replies, because pain will try to say, financially, this is going to ruin you. And the king will say, I have given you everything, and you can look to me. Now, does that mean in this world everything's going to work out? I don't think so, because our experience is it's not working out great. But the show isn't over, and He has the final say. So how can we remember? Well, that's where these scripts come in. And we've learned to know pain is trying to say this, but God is saying this. Let's listen. Let's listen for what God has for us right in the middle of this pain. Because we know we might have pain, but pain does not have us. And sometimes you need another person to help you hear what God is saying in this messy middle. I know God is saying to me, keep making these videos. They don't have to be perfect. You don't have to look good all the time. But you need to know that there are people out there that need to hear God is with them in this, no matter how we feel. Let's reach out to God and to one another. Thank you.